In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor assembly on this Jeep Patriot. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the passenger side dash, just underneath your glove box. We're going to remove this lower panel. To remove this panel, if you are looking just underneath the glove box, you're going to find that you have two plastic push clips. There's one right here, and the second one's going to be located right here. We'll go ahead and remove the pair, and we can remove this panel. For this, I'm just using a trim tool. You can even use a flat blade screwdriver as a prying device if necessary. There's that push pin. Let's go ahead and get the other one out of there as well. Let's remove that panel. With the panel out of the way, we have a clear view of our blower motor. Let's start with the electrical wiring harness. Up in this area, we have our connector. It has a locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze it in and we'll pull this down and out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and we'll set this aside. Continuing on, to remove the blower motor from the housing, you're going to find that there's three 8mm headed mounting bolts holding this in place. There's one here, one over here, and then one out towards the front near the firewall. All of these mounting screws should look the same. You do not need to worry about mixing them up. Let's remove that blower motor. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of our brand new blower motor assembly, the next thing that you have to do is clean and inspect the mounting points here. I'm just going to give this a quick wipe with a clean rag. We are not using any type of detergent in this area. Now it's time for installation of our brand new blower motor assembly. We'll make sure that we have this in the proper orientation so everything aligns properly. Press it until it's completely bottomed out. After that, continue on with all three of your mounting screws. Start them in, snug them up. Keep in mind, as you tighten these, you are only screwing into plastic. You do not want to over tighten them and strip anything. Let's continue on with our electrical wiring harness. We'll bring the connector into position, align the locking tab with its port, and slide it up and in. Listen for a click. After that audible click, just go ahead and give it a little tug. We're trying to remove it. Obviously, we don't want to damage it, but we do need to make sure it's secure. Double check to make sure the wiring harness is not hanging down too far. If it is, you can try to use a wire tie to pin it up. This doesn't look too bad. Let's continue on with our panel. When installing our panel, we're going to be paying attention deep inside this area here. You can see this small slot. If you are looking at the lower panel, you're going to find that it has an alignment tab that slides into that area. Line it up, press it in. Continuing along the area underneath our glove box, we're going to be installing each one of our two push pins. Double check to make sure your panel is properly secured and not hanging down in any way. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.